Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Woo Can Cook. Today we're diving back into our series dedicated to Korean comfort food classics with a shot at a stone pot variation of the dolsot bibimbap. For those unfamiliar, a bibimbap is a Korean rice bowl dish served with a number of vegetable sides, and most prominently features a thinly sliced steak known as bulgogi. Not too long ago, some may recall that we also did a simpler version of this dish served in a normal ceramic bowl, but today I finally managed to locate my dolsot, which is one of these heavy stone bowls. You may also come across dolsots made of clay or sometimes cast iron, but the most important bit to note here is that our dolsot has the capacity for extremely high heat retention, making it perfect for those restaurant-style sizzling plates that you've probably seen the waitstaff very precariously carrying in Korean barbecue restaurants. Finally, no bibimbap is ever complete without a sunny-side up fried egg, which of course means that we're going to be doing a lacy wok fried egg today for the crispiest fried egg that you will literally ever create.